Embattled Senate President Francis Escudero belies the latest smear piece. He reportedly had a hand in infrastructure project deals worth 5 billion pesos this year in his home province of Sorsogon. And he has a strong hunch this latest hit job on his integrity traces directly to House lawmakers, as our Daniel Manalastas reports.
In a news briefing, Senator J.V. Ejercito couldn't help but lambast those allegedly involved in anomalous flood control projects, as he cited the inefficiency of some projects, and apparently he claimed that there are even so-called ghost projects.
Hindi naman tayo santo lahat dito, pero wag naman tayo maging demonyo, di ba? Sobra na yon, kademonyo na yon, yung kikita ka na tapos hindi mo pa i-ghost nyo pa. Wow.
There's a special place in the Hell Resort for those who are engaged in ghost and flood control projects na talagang dinaya at talagang pinatong-patungan. May reserva para sa inyo.
Meanwhile, Senate President Francis Escudero described as malicious a news article which stated that his top campaign donor bagged over 5 billion peso worth of flood control projects. He clarified that he is not a contractor and he denied involvement in such projects.
Malisyoso ang artikulo, tiniming ang paglabas at tiniming talaga para ika nga idikit ito bagaman walang sinabi ang artikulong ginawa kong mali o masama. Kaya for the record, wala akong kinalaman sa pag-identify, paggawa ng program of work, pag-bid, pag-award, pagbahay, pagbayad, pag-inspeksyon sa Sorsogon man o sa labas ng lalawigan ng Sorsogon. Hindi ako bahagi ng kanya negosyo. Sino ba yung mga mambabatas at opisyal na gobyerno na aktual na kontraktor, aktual na may-ari nung mga kumpanya na nakakuha ng kontrata sa gobyerno?
He further described it as a mere demolition job. He meanwhile hinted on who could possibly behind all this.
Pero yung nagde-demolition job sa inyo, taga-house? Yung nasa likod ng demolition job, SP,
naman,
ay taga-house?
Di ba nga, nung nakarang linggo naman, may video yung nilabas sa akin sa house at kung ano nung innuendo at insinuation na naman ang pinalabas.
Though some House lawmakers respect Escudero's statement, they also dared Escudero to name names.
Masama yung pagka-blanket na sinisiraan ako dito sa Kongreso. Lahat kami tinatamaan, kaibigan ko si Senator Chis Kung pati ba ako, nadamay na naman dyan sa akusasyon na yan. Hindi, walang ganyanan. Wag natin lalahatin. Siguro banggitin niya na kung sino yun para at least magkasagutan na sila.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.